My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am super excited about, and it is going to be my first Boxycharm unboxing. It's actually the second month that I've gotten Boxycharm, but last month I got it kind of late, and I had just worked like 3 nights, so I did a quick little unboxing on my Instagram, but I didn't do a video. And that box, damn, like I should have subscribed to Boxycharm a long time ago. I know, like I don't know why I haven't, but I am really excited to try or to unbox this month because I did see a spoiler of one of the products, so I am super excited. So if you would like to see what I got in my April Boxycharm, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into it. So here we go. Oh my goodness! Alright, the first product, I'm going to go in order of the little card right here. I feel like a game show host. Like I already know the answers. I have it on the card. The first product is this the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Retail value at $36. I actually saw this on the Ulta website and I was like, oh wow, that's a really pretty palette. It says 12-piece pressed pigment palette. I cannot believe that I've gotten a palette. This is my second palette in a row from Boxycharm. I've never gotten a full-size palette in a subscription box before. So it says 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. Alright, let me open her up. Bust her wide open. There's a little mini sample of Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. So here is what the packaging looks like out of the carton. Oh, so gorgeous. And there's a full-size mirror. That is gorgeous. I have to go into this 24K Magic shade. It looks like a pressed glitter. Yes. Oh my god. Oh. Like, I can't even. That purple and that gold together. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Oh my god. I can't. Wow. Just this palette alone is worth the price of the box. Like, what have I been doing? Alright, moving right along. Next is, I love me some brushes. This Luxie, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. And Luxie is definitely a brush brand that I do really like. It so retails for $28, and it says this 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. So it says use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones. Ooh. I don't contour, but that might actually be a good blush brush. And then it says, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush, ooh, would be a really good brush for putting on a lid shade. And as you can see, the handle, so it has the gold and then pink, and it goes into an orange. It's really pretty. Yeah, this would be an amazing brush for putting the lid shade on. And then it says grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So this is the large shader. So I would use that to just put like maybe a translucent shadow all over my eye, or maybe even to highlight the brow bone. Woo! Not only did I get one brush, I got 3. I really like the feel of these brushes too. Okay, the next product is the sneak peek I saw. Oh my god, you guys, are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this because I was not ready for this. It is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and which one is this in? Summer Haze. What kind of color is that? So retail value is $27. I do have one of these, and I think it's so stunning. Is what the packaging looks like before I get my fingerprints all over it. So because I did see this as a spoiler, I purposely did not put any highlighter on so I could try it. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I hope it's not too dark. Here is what it looks like in the... Oh my gosh. It is like a beautiful champagne color, I want to say. It is right here. Okay, let me... Oh, I can't even. Gosh, that's like pure, like, liquid metallic goodness on my cheeks. Like, oh, just look at that. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. Boxycharm, I know we haven't been in a relationship for long, but I love you. I really do. Okay, so the next product is this Steve Laurent lip gloss in champagne. You know what? I actually, do I have it down here? No, I have it upstairs. I got this brand lip gloss before, maybe from Allure, and it's really good. Ooh, yep, I do. I have, and the color is so beautiful too. This one is also. So retail price $22. This is full size. Everything's been full size so far. It's bonkers. All right, 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just 1 swipe. Okay, so, ooh, this is so pretty. It has a slight shimmer to it, but, oh yes. I am going to be wearing that so much. The other gloss that I have, I actually wear quite often. It's super comfortable, and it's like, it's more opaque than most glosses. And it's just really creamy, and I really like it. Let me put, ooh, super pretty. It's like a very light nude with a hint of shimmer in it. All right, and there's one last product, and it is Beauty For Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one steady sweep. This tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure, deep color from thin to thick, while the intensely pigmented formula makes for 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. Alright, I have only ever tried the Beauty For Real like pencil eyeliners, so I'm going to have to see how this one does. Full size again. Alright. Ooh, that is a very nice brush. It went on evenly, no issues at all. I don't know if I said the price, but it is $16. So, oh my gosh, let me add up how much everything was. So this box had a total retail value of $129. Oh my god, that is mind-blowing. I'm just speechless. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I mean, how can you deny that this is just an awesome value and just a really great way to try and get good products. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.